Welcome to my channel. So, we have another unboxing video. So, for the last few weeks, nakapag-unbox tayo ng boxes ni Baby 3 and ito na yung collection natin so far. So, we went back to the place kung saan kami unang nakabili ng boxes and we saw meron pang tatlong naiiwang boxes doon. So, binili na namin silang lahat. So, ang total na items na pwede natin makuha is 8. And if we count yung meron tayo ngayon, including yung mga nabuksan na natin, 7 yung meron tayo. And unfortunately, we won't be able to complete the whole set. So, that's fine. That's okay. So, we have 3 more boxes and ito yung meron tayo currently. And ito yung mga possible na pwede pa rin nating makuha. So, we already have some guys here na. So, ito. So, yung mga hindi pa natin nakukuha is yung pig, yung fox, yung panda, and ano pa ba? Yung cat, tsaka yung secret. So, it's isa doon yung hindi natin pwedeng makuha. I'm not sure kung ano. Kasi since 7 lang yung boxes and total 8 yung pwedeng makuha. And if magka-secret, so dalawa yung hindi makukuha. So, let's see kung anong ating makukuha. Let's go! Let's open the first box. Open natin. So, ayan. Let's put this here. Open natin ang ating first box. Oh, yay! Ito talaga yung target namin dito. Perfect, nakuha na natin. And ang ganda ng eyes din nito. So far, ito yung favorite ko kasi ito yung may magandang eyes. So, dalawa na silang may ganyang eyes. Perfect, ang ganda. Yung fox. So, this is the fox one. Very pretty, very nice. Oh, ang ganda. Sandali, ito natin yung card niya sa box. And charan! I was kind of worried na baka ito yung hindi makuha. Ito parang may pinakagusto namin. So, yan. Perfect. So, that's the first box. Ay, nilagyan na natin siya dito. Let's open the second box. Yan. Open natin. Let's go. So, yan. Let's open. Open the box. Ayan, let's... 1, 2, 3! Oh, yung pig! Ang nice, ang cute! Ay, ito na yung isa pang eyes! Yung isang set ng eyes, yung galit na eyes. Kasi if you could notice, ito yung magandang eyes na isa. Crying yung eyes. Ito naman, yung angry eyes. Ayan, na-complete ko na yung set ng eyes. So, ang ganda! Ang ganda din! Ang ganda niya, oh! Very cute nung piggy. Ang cute, may buntot! Yung piggy. Nice! Very pretty. So, flip ko natin yung card niya. Ito yung card ng pig. Very cute. And, buksan natin ang ating last box. So, ang hindi na lang natin nakukuha is si Panda and si Cat and yung secret. So, let's see. I'm hoping na makuha yung Panda. So, let's see. Let's open. Ay, ano ba? Ang hirap niyang buksan lagi. Laging hindi tumutuloy. So, buksan natin. Here. Charan! Huh? Bakit may parang matigas sa likod? Ay, hindi. Yung mukha pala yun ni Baby 3. So, ayan na. Let's open the box na. 1, 2, taran! Ah, yung cat. Yung cat yung nakuha natin. So, yung panda talaga yung missing. And, wow! Very nice din yung eyes nito. Oh, yung galit. And, ang cute ng color nitong cat. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng color niya. Very vibrant. Ang ganda. Oh, nice. So, sadly, hindi natin nakuha yung panda, but it's okay. So, yun na lang yung kulang natin dito sa set na to and yung secret. And I'm not sure if magpupul pa tayo sa set na to. Probably, I'll just buy an open box na may panda or hayaan ko na lang walang panda kasi I'm happy with them naman na. Look, ang dami na nila. Ang ganda-ganda. Si elephant. Ayan sila. So, I'm happy with them naman kahit kulang tayo ng isa. So, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me dito sa journey natin kay Baby 3. I'll try to get yung newer version, yung may kasama ng katawan ni Baby 3. Since na-enjoy ko yung yung itsura niya, ang ganda niya, ang cute-cute, oh. Thank you so much for joining me again. Then, I'll see you next week again for another unboxing video. Thank you as always. I'll see you. Bye! See ya!